Good morning. It is June 5th. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are heading out of here. Got about a half mile to get back to the trailhead. Just a little short road walk, and then we will be heading north. If I see something cool, I'll be sure and show you. Got about 0.3 to get back to the trail. It sure is pretty through here. Where it dumps you out. That's where we're heading today. Right up them stairs. Boom. Not crossing this one. We're going this way. We're walking along it. It sure is pretty. Looks like it's all dry. I'm not sure that I mentioned it yesterday, but yesterday was I know the woods were kind of damp and wet and stuff, but a lot of these streams and creeks, even though we had rain about, I guess, what has it been, about a week now? Several days ago, a lot of this stuff is dried up. Yesterday was a real dry day. When I wrapped up, I had like one swig of water left, and that was it. So, and now, of course, today I'm carrying more water than I normally do. Uh-oh. See? That rock right there is slick. Anyway, every day is different. All right, we just came out onto Sugar Run Road. I'm sure it's got some Virginia VA number, but I don't remember. But that way, about, looking on the map, I don't remember the number, 3.3 or 0.4 down there is Woods Hole Hostel. You can stay there. It's supposed to be iconic. I don't know about real nice. It's supposed to be iconic. And I'm not going down there, and I've never been there, so I'm not going to make any assumptions about it. But we're not staying there. We are calling on Pearisburg. And, hard not to pass a hostel. But we're going to do a few more miles today and get up here to this next shelter. And then that'll set us up for what should be a short day tomorrow into Pearisburg. So that's the plan. Let's go. All right, folks. We are rolling in to Doc's Knob Shelter. Map says it's coming up in about 0.1. So we should be here in any minute now. That's going to make it an 18-mile day. Told you we was calling on Pearisburg. So, probably would have done a little more than that, but it's nice staying at in the area of a shelter anyway. PBJ likes staying in them. I think I'm done with that. I think I'm setting my tent up and have some personal space. Put my earplugs in if I get tired of hearing whatever they're talking about. It seems like it's the same old thing every night. Like gear, or, just the same. It's like the same conversation on repeat. Anyway, I don't know. After I cook some dinner and eat, maybe I'll feel like hanging out for a little bit, but not all night. Some of these folks like to stay up till like 10, 11, and then when we get up on most mornings like this, when we're shooting for town, who knows, watch, I'll sleep in tomorrow. But anyway, normally we're rolling out at like 6, which means if we're rolling out at 6, we're doing coffee and breakfast at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. And man, them folks ain't happy. But it's okay for them to stay up till 11 when we went to bed at, 7:30. So, hey, it's all, hey, what makes the world go around? What's good for you is good for me too, right? Anyway, so, but that's it. And I have no idea who's going to be here or how many people or nothing like that. So, anyway, I'll show you around if I can. Talk to y'all later. Looks like it's right down here just off the trail. We got down here a deck and a balcony. I have to tell them we need to rename this. Shelter. Call this thing the Bluegill. Wow, what's up with that? Wow. Anybody's in here or not? Hello? Nope, nobody's in here. Check this rig out. Got a picnic table, got an Adirondack chair. What? It's small. But man, this thing is nice. Oh, I hope nobody shows up tonight. Wouldn't that be something? I don't know. If anybody else knows about all this, this place will be packed out. All right. Bye. Well, we just found out how darn tough socks are. This is brand new. So apparently just about 600 miles, a little over 600 miles. They're supposed to have a lifetime warranty. So when I get to town, I'm going to try to get a new pair. I watch, I'm going to have to ship them off or something, I bet. Anyway, I got another pair. But yep, that's brand new as of today.